Hey guys, welcome to the present. I am Harry, the host of this YouTube channel. I hope you guys like my previous videos. If you didn't watch my previous videos, click here on the button and watch my all the previous videos. So let's start our video. So today what I will do, as you guys see from the thumbnail of this video, somebody sent me something. This is a mystery box. I don't know what's inside this. So let's unbox this. I already unboxed this, but I will tell you later what's inside this box. So if you want to know what was that, you have to watch my video until end, and make sure to like my video and comment down in the comment box what type of video do you want next, and also subscribe to my channel Harry Present and press the bell icon so you will never miss another update from Harry Present. So let's start our video without talking a lot. The parcel looks like this from outside, and when I remove this will look like this. I will tell you how it looks like from inside, but before you have to subscribe and press the bell icon. So this is how it looks like from inside. This is a video mic go by Rode company, the Australian company, and all the people, mostly people know about Rode company. This is a company who makes microphones. This have 2 years warranty, and this don't need any batteries. So let's unbox this without wasting time. So let's unbox this. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is how it looks like from outside. This is the package look like from outside, inside the box, sorry. So let's take the mic out. If you didn't yet subscribe to my channel Harry Present now, and press the bell icon so you will never miss another update from Harry Present. So let's remove this packaging. Oh, so let's take it out. This is how it looks like from inside. There's a Rode company mark, and there's down to mount the mic, and here at the back you can put the wire and connect to your phone, to your DSLR, to your camera. I don't know where you want to put. And there's a wire which we will put at the back side of the mic, and we will connect this with our phone and with the DSLR or whenever you want. This is nothing. So hope you guys like my video, and if you like this video, make sure to press the like button and also comment down in the comment box how was this video, what type of video do you want next, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel Harry Present and press the bell icon so you will never miss another update from Harry Present.